Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today, and we're looking at SHIB trading at 24.80 at the moment, which is a pretty solid number right now. But the thing is that I am not very sure if SHIB is trying to do something where you drop down a little bit to 2247, retest the broken trend line, and then go back up. I do believe that SHIB is looking for 3798. So eventually, SHIB may, if it actually pumps from here, we're looking for 51% move to the upside. If it actually pumps down from 2244, then we're looking for another 68% move to the upside. But all in all, I do believe that this thing is really getting better and better. Now, it might look like there's a little bit of another pattern that we have. So we could actually say that we have this little bit of a double bottom that could potentially be taken into consideration, something like this. And if you eventually start to break above and come up here, then you may be looking for a retest. And once you do that, we might see SHIB getting from there to there. And the first move up is going to be up to, 3222, and still it doesn't stop there because there's still another journey all the way up to 3803 as for the breakout pattern that I just showed you before. Now, if I do take this little bit of support and resistance climbing up, we do have time until, what do you call this? This is going to be until 24th of May. So we have 5 more days, and within 5 days, I think you may expect some little bit of more consolidation, and eventually maybe just pop up here and then go to the upside. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.